Hey everyone, we're gonna do a unboxing and build of the Lego set Captain America edition. This is presented to you by Lazy RC. Let's do this. There we go. And these are just a few extra parts. Yep. Just a few extra parts. I love how the Legos give you a few extra parts, dude, just in case, because these are little tiny parts that you could have misplaced, lost, whatever, dude. So yeah, it's really, really great that Lego gives you a few extra parts. Alright, you guys. And that is the end of the build. Look at that, dude, it's killer. One problem is look at the left leg. Like, that isn't very tight. I think I'm gonna like modify it, maybe use a heat gun to maybe heat this up and then make it smaller or something, because none of my other Avengers did that. None of them did that, dude. Look at that, it just falls right down. So yeah, none of them did that. And to be honest, I'm a little disappointed because I really, really wanted his shield to go in front of him more, you know, like block him like this, but they didn't make the arm long enough. So it's kind of like he just wants to block from this side. I don't know. But anyways, I'm super stoked. I'm glad I got to add Captain America to my Avengers Lego set. And for more Lego builds, RC videos, and dirt bike videos, please hit the subscribe button, like it if you liked the video. Share if you want to all your friends. Share on social media, Facebook, Instagram, all that stuff. And thank you guys so much for watching. And I will see you later.